What is good, kings and queens, and welcome back to another video. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's like the day after Christmas, and this video probably won't be up the day after Christmas. I'm just right now, as me shooting it right now, it's the day after Christmas, and I had such a fun time with my friends and the family. Like, the holidays are always my favorite because you get to literally be around all the people that you love, exchange gifts, and my favorite part, eat a shit ton of food. And that's exactly what I did. You probably could see the residue on my face. Oh, these cheeks. And I hope you guys had a fantastic time with your families as well. New Year's is right around the corner, but I just hope you guys are having a great holiday season so far, because I know that I'm having a fantastic time. If you guys have probably already noticed or didn't notice, hello, like, I got a new camera, which is making me super excited. I'm really getting into filmmaking and photography, so I gave myself a Christmas present and got myself a new camera, and I also got a microphone so that the audio will sound a lot better, so hopefully my voice sounds a lot more crisp. You don't hear a lot of background crazy noise. You may hear my brothers. My brothers are in the other room. They over there doing something, but yeah. So you might hear them, but I mean, for the most part, you shouldn't hear too much crazy outside noise. But yeah, I am super excited. I'm happy. As you guys can probably see from the title of this video, I will be doing a tutorial on how I do my drag base, or just my base for any of my makeup looks. I know that my last couple of videos, what I've been doing was doing my base off camera and then coming back on camera and showing you guys how I do, you know, one of the eyes. But I have learned a lot more when it comes to like covering my eyebrows and just my base overall. And I kind of want to share that with you guys because it changed. And I want to show you guys what I know. I know that sometimes it's, like I said, it's hard when you're just starting out. You don't know what products to use. And I just want to be that person, especially the queen with a little bit more melanin in her skin, to be a queen or someone out there to show anyone out there who might be struggling with makeup or just having a hard time with it. I want you to be able to look at my channel, use the products that I use, get an easier grasp to it than I did. Because when I started out, it was a real struggle. I'm in no way, shape, or form saying that I'm a professional makeup artist, because I am not. I do just know a couple things that help me get my drag looks, and I want to share what I know with you guys so you guys can, you know, fulfill your drag fantasies at all. I mean, your drag fantasies and all that jazz. I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling and go ahead and get up into this tutorial. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, because I would greatly appreciate it. And also subscribe to my channel if you guys have not subscribed already, because I would love to have you a part of this queendom. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get up into this makeup look. Well, this foundation tutorial. I'll be right back. All right, first things first, we're gonna do is go ahead and cover our eyebrows. And to cover my eyebrows, I use a good old trusty dusty Elmer's glue stick. Now, typically when I'm going out to perform, I like to use Prozaid. It's a medical grade adhesive as the first layer, and then I go in with glue stick over that because I sweat a ton when I perform. So if I just use a regular old glue stick, it's water soluble. So if I sweat, then it'll just get all crazy and messy and oatmeal-y, and like it won't look as good. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going out to perform. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a normal Elmer's glue stick, glue stick, and go ahead and start to cover my eyebrows. And once you have the glue on there, I'm gonna go ahead and comb it up, and I'm not comb it up, but I'm just gonna lay it flat with this this surface here. It's like the back of one of my makeup brushes. I'm gonna go ahead and smooth it out. Now that you have that smoothed out, you want to usually take like a makeup wipe or something, but I'm just gonna take this like bleached out rag and I'm gonna get the excess glue from around the perimeter of the eyebrow. And did the other eyebrow off camera. However, I just did one layer here and one layer here. So now I'm gonna go back to the original eyebrow now that it had time to dry. I'll go ahead and go in with my second layer of glue. It's very important that with each layer you get more and more careful with how you lay the glue on. So since I started out with the glue just going straight in, I'm gonna go ahead and give the glue stick a little lick. I know don't worry, it's not toxic, it's for kids, but the reason why I gave it a little lick was because I wanted to wet up the glue for my second layer so it'll go on a little bit smoother. Alright, so now that I went on ahead and did 3 coats of glue on each eyebrow and I let them dry a little bit, right before they're completely all the way dry, I'm going to go ahead and take some loose setting powder and go ahead and set the brows in place. And I'm going to dip the powder puff into the powder, and I'm going to go ahead and blow off the excess powder, because when we go in to set our eyebrows, we don't want to have like clumps of powder on here, so when you try to set your eyebrow, it's going to be clumps of like powder in the glue and it's going to look really weird and uneven. You want to go ahead and blow off the excess powder so that it'll set the brow evenly and that everything will be smooth. I got this trick from Alyssa Ashley. She does that when she sets her under eyes. We're gonna go ahead and just take a powder brush. This is just like a e.l.f. flawless face brush, but I'm gonna use this to go ahead and dust away the powder lightly.